reversing down your drive, it's all dark, you don't really know where you're going, but you're just taking the chance, and all of a sudden, boom, you wonder what it is. So you try again, boom, there it is again. Get out your car, and what do you find? 2 dents. Any guesses what's behind there? A wheelie bin? Oh dear. Hello everybody, it's Martin Sadler from Dent-Remover. I hope you enjoy our latest repair video. Okay, so let's take a look at the damage on the tailgate. It's got 4 dents in total. One there, one there, one there and one there. What's happened is when the panel's been dented in, it's bunched it up at the top. It's giving us these 2 crowns here. So when I repair it, I'm going to be lifting these areas out, tapping these areas down, and that way we're going to get a nice clean repair. So I'm going to show you how it's done. A look inside. There's one dent there, that's that one. We've got a brace here with glue that might need to come off, we just don't know yet. And then the other one is down there in the gap. It's not too bad to do. Okay, the tools that I'm going to be using today, I've got a couple of hammers here. Another Boss PDR hammer, very good. I'm going to be using my tips. I'll be using one of these, which is quite a blunt tip for moving quite a bit of metal. I'll be using these ones which are sharper, these are plastic. I'll be using my Ultra Bar double bend. Okay, and then to top it off, give it a little polish. Because I'm accessing the dent from under here, dents there, it's pretty awkward to get any kind of leverage like that. The bar's moving around, I'm using my hand to lever off, so I can use a leverage device, posh word, it's just a hook, so we can hook it in there, in a little hole, put the bar through there. This gives us a really good leverage point, as you can see, leverage. For this dent, we're not going to use the Ultra Bar. We're going to be using the hula hoop bar. The reason why I'm going to use this is because I'm going to be working back on myself. So, like this. Goes underneath, like that. Get really good control with this arm here. Just lifting up, using this hand to pinpoint where you're going to go. It makes it a lot easier. Okay, so we're done. Took about 2 hours, 2.5 hours to do the repair. Both dents are out, super smooth. I'm going to show you in detail what it's like. Thank you for watching our repair. If you'd like to see any more videos, why not like, share and subscribe. Leave some comments below if you like. I'll be seeing you pretty soon. Cheers. Okay, we're halfway through now. I've repaired the one that's furthest in the panel. I'm now going to